Hey Dennis, this is Mike Fortner. Just looking over your post here. Nice illustrations, nice pictures. Um, the what you've described there was a pretty complex recoil because the ACP is a pretty uh, complex little weapon. I used to have one, just to let you know, and over the course of time I sold it or traded it or did something. I've forgotten now. It's been so long ago. But but your description there is pretty good about the mechanism itself, which is what you were trying to describe. I'd be also interested in knowing about how the pistol itself recoils, which is different than a larger long-barreled gun would recoil, I think. So you might want to think about that some more. But that's for what you've really got, you're doing in this little exercise. This is fine. I just thought it was kind of interesting. Um, so have a good day and interesting drawings and interesting discussion there. So take care. If you have any questions, just email me or text me.